What's up mga pre, ako yung host Alvin Pacheco at welcome sa Pinoy Rig Enthusiasts, kung saan bibigyan namin kayo ng mga reviews, insights at mga unboxings. Ngayon kasama natin si Sir Charleston, so introduce yourself sa mga audience natin sa Pinoy Rig Enthusiasts.
Hello, my name is Charleston, a Crimson General of the Crimson Vanguard. It is a community for end users and for the brand, and of course for the fans as well.
So ngayon meron tayong all-in-one PC sa likod namin. So ano to? Pakilala mo kami sa product na ito by ROG.
So this is our ROG Huracan G21 all-in-one PC. All-in-one, more like it's a small form factor PC. And then we have our processor for this is an i7-8700, while we have a GTX 1080 for its graphics card. And then it also has a 16 gig RAM, 2666 megahertz. And then we also have a 1 terabyte HDD, 7200 RPM, and a M.2 SSD worth of 512 gigabytes.
Okay. So, itong all-in-one PC ni ROG, ano dito yung mga pwede pang i-expand ng user once binili nila to?
You can actually switch the graphics card if you ever need an upgrade. Let's say for the new incoming RTX, yes. And then of course everything is also swappable. You have your 2.5-inch bay and the M.2 SSDs.
Okay, so yun yung pwede lang i-upgrade or palitan na pyesa sa all-in-one PC na ito by ROG. So, ano yung pinagkaiba nito pag siguro sabihin natin gusto nila mag-build pero may nakita rin silang mga all-in-one PC tulad nito by ROG. So, ano yung difference nun?
So, it's a really misconception that building a PC equates to actually saving. Sometimes having an all-in-one is actually better in terms of warranty. Yeah. Since the warranty is only for Asus, there's only one shop that you're gonna go to, which is Asus. Isahan na lang.
So kapag may nasirang isa, hindi na kailangan, halimbawa, pag nasira yung power supply, syempre pag dumamage yun, iba-ibang pyesa, di ba?
Yes.
So pag ganun yung nangyari sa all-in-one PC, ibibigay mo na yung buong all-in-one PC kay Asus.
So that is why it is an advantage of having one of these. But of course, that's why it's on the expensive side because of that. But at least you don't have a problem in going to warranties or if you have any problems, you're pretty much covered for Asus.
At saka hindi ka ni-lockdown ni ROG kasi may mga expansion slots pa siya and pwede mo naman matanggal yung mga ibang parts.
Yep.
So okay na rin yun.
Yep.
So etong performance ng PC na to, itatry natin siya sa PUBG, nakaload na yung game dito. So ngayon, titignan naman natin yung performance niya pagdating sa PUBG. So ito yung nakaload na game na prepare ng ROG sa atin. So may kita natin dito naka-high settings tayo. So almost max na siya, no? Max. Yes. So this is playing currently on 1080p.
Yep.
Okay. So tignan natin siya, no? So ayan. So pag naglalaro ng ganito, kamusta naman yung thermals ng ng AIO na yan?
Well, on this one, it would reach yung usual on your PCs naman. It's not too hot, and of course, it's not too cold na it looks unbelievable. So around mga 60, 50, mga ganon. So you're not really, temperature is not really a problem.
So again, meron tong 1080, tama?
Yes, a 1080.
So itong 1080 card na to, feel ko, ayan, makikita natin medyo pumapalo tayo ng, wait lang, wala pa tayo sa landing zone. Pero nakikita ko kanina around 70 to 80 FPS. So makikita natin ngayon pag nag-drop tayo. So habang hinihintay natin yan mag-drop, so narinig ko may iba pang variants to.
Yes.
So ano yung ibang variant na yun? Anong configuration yung meron na yan?
So yung configuration na yun, we all have, instead of having a 1080, we have a 1070 variant. And with its storage, it's downgraded from still a 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM. But this time, you have a 256 gigabyte of M.2 SSD. Okay.
So, ayan. Makikita na, ayun nga, smooth siya. Actually, pumapalo na siya ngayon up to 120 FPS. Ngayon na nasa lupa na tayo. Ayan. So, sana hindi tayo mamatay agad. Pero, habang naglalaro ako dito, sir, anong masasabi mo sa mga interested bumili nitong all-in-one PC ni ROG?
So, if you're the type of gamer na yung ayaw mo na pag-isipan yung parts mo since nandun na yung lahat. This is one of them. And one of the most sought out actually of the yung features is the removable flap here. So you can actually add in more air, or if you want to cover it up, Or if
Once
you
na
wanna,
hindi mo na siya ginagamit, pwede
Yes.
mo siya isara.
And of course, you also have the Aura.
Aura Sync.
Aura Sync, yes. So, you all, not only with aesthetically pleasing, it also performs well. So, for those who want an all-in-one, this is one of them. And for those na warranty is somewhat a problem for them to travel like that, you can just go to one service center and you're good to go.
Alright. So yan yung ROG Huracan. So nakikita natin ngayon yan sa Okada, Manila, sa event ni ASUS. So maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. Again, si Sir Charleston, may gusto ka bang i-plug?
Alright. If ever you want to join in our community, you can search for it in Facebook. That's ROG Crimson Vanguard, and we have a link there for new recruits. If we find you qualified to join, we will be including you into the group.
And so guys, thank you guys for watching. Kung gusto nyo nga mag-follow sa group nila, ililink ko na lang yan sa comment section below. So kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, i-like nyo. Kung hindi naman, i-dislike. At huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe. Kung may mga tanong kayo about this ROG Huracan, mag-comment lang rin kayo sa comment section below. At may mga sasagot naman ng mga pre dyan. So kung nagawa nyo na yung like, dislike, subscribe, comment, maraming salamat at see you in the next episode.